At the end, there is the data, and who's going to do something with that? Yeah. So I see it in my company that we have a lot of data, and sometimes we do something with it, and sometimes we're doing nothing with it. So there's a platform. I think you have also the platform in the US, but who's at the end doing the analyzing of the data? You were talking about AI. And AI is important. So what you could do at that point is say, hey, I see this patient is not taking the medicine in the weekend. And then there's the smart systems or the apps and say, hey, good morning, Saturday morning. I know you never take your medicine in time, so I give you right now the tip. Do take your medicine in time in the weekend, although you're going with your loved ones and so on, having dinner, etc. So that's an AI type of thing we could do with that. But the point is, who is going to deliver that kind of service?